Just starting this job, little patio landscape project. Had about 6 inches of rain last night, believe it or not. I'll show you a little clip of my backyard right here. Which is now destroyed.
Oh no!
Yeah, believe that. So, not sure how much we're going to get done today, but let's go check it out. So, even with the tarps last night, absolute muddy mess. Patio's going in here. Doesn't look like it's going in today. Guy just went to go get some boulders. They're doing some boulder retaining wall landscaping along there. Grass is all dead. So, like, flagstone patio walkway going in here. Then we're getting boulders and all that down along this edge. Some nice new landscaping going in right there. Hopefully, if it ever stops raining, we'll be able to get something done around here. Day 2, patios in, getting ready to lay some of this beautiful, beautiful natural flagstone. Love it. First piece laid. I believe we're getting some pea gravel back in that area. A little retaining wall here. That base is in. Flagstone. And we got plantings, some boulder outcroppings going in all through there. Stay tuned, cuz. Done in a day. Patio's laid. Still got some work to do. Joints. Gotta get the joints filled. All that good stuff. Got this muddy bank. Got these plants. Ducking nice. Getting boulders all in through here. Break it up a little bit. Taking some of that soil.
Alright, back on the scene here. Some footage of this was taken, but we didn't get anything on the finished side. But yeah, so this was what we ended like the end of the week last week. We had our nitro in on this flagstone patio. Added a few steppers for the client here on the side so they could go in between that side of the stairs and then their access with the flagstone patio on this side over here. We did all this planting here. Great job by the boys last week to get those in the ground, and now we've just got to bring up our soil level across this patio here and bring in mulch. We do need to touch up a little bit of the nitro here, a little high in some spots. We'll shave that down, and then the client asked if we could just do sod here instead of grass seed, so we're gonna grab some sod for that area. So yeah, we have to daylight this tube over here away from this little entrance to the patio, and yeah, it'll all get done. All right, Bert, getting the sidewalk blown off, driveway blown off. We were gonna seed this area, but the client asked if we could just get sod down so he wouldn't have mud right off of the patio when the dogs come into the yard. So put a little bit of sod in for him. But yeah, this project came out looking pretty good. Not too shabby. The black mulch looks real sharp. Patio looks good. Added some cobbles, a little extra stonework with some limestone that he had in his yard. Brought in a bunch of limestone boulders here to just kind of randomly accent the garden bed. And yeah, we got her all the way down to the other side. Absolutely exhausted. We had to hand wheel these loads of dirt and mulch in today. Me and Bert by ourselves put that work in. As you can see, she looks real good, man. Real good. So, client may or may not want a little extra sod in the end, but that's nothing you can't come back and knock out real quick. So, but yeah, overall, very happy and pleased with this patio and garden bed here. Yeah, stay tuned for the next one, y'all. See Pontz Sons.
Almost forgot, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.